Hi, what's up guys? Steve MK here with another tech video. So today I have FRP lock, also known as Google Lock, on Android 8.1. I'm using this hisense F27 as my device for today. So subscribe if you have not already, like, comment and share. Any question as usual, leave them down below and I'll make sure that I get back to you as soon as possible. Without taking time, let's get this started. Okay, so the first step is you have to, I'll just show you guys here, just to confirm that my device is locked. So I'll just go settings, set up the device, and as you can see it's asking for a pin and I don't have a pin as well. Then I can just use, maybe try to Google email, and I don't have an email, which means I'm sure everyone who is also watching this video is either you don't know the email address whatsoever. So just to show you guys, this is how it is. And now to start this setup, the first thing you have to have a SIM card. So I have a SIM card here, and once you make sure the SIM card has a context as well. So I'll put my SIM card, and automatically the SIM card has to show up. Then click on the images icon. Now on the images, double tap there and add contacts. So your contacts in the SIM card will show up. Then you just choose any contact, it can be any number. Then click on the contact that you have chosen. It will have to show up the share message, like all the contact information. Now once you can open message and type in youtube.com. Try to send. It won't send anyway, unless if you have airtime in your card. You just have to open YouTube and go to account, terms and services. Once the terms and services, then you have to download the first application, which is called Remote One. So you can search as Remote One APK and download, and you open the link. Once you open the link, I'll leave the link below on the application as well, so check it out. Okay, once you're there, you just download it. Once the application is downloading, you can also go for file. So you're going to type in frpfile.com/bypass, which means it will take you straight to the bypass applications. Okay, so once that is downloaded, you can either, it doesn't matter how you install it. For me, I started installing the launcher first, then I go to files and check for downloads. But you can also, to not waste your time, you can start installing the remote. Once the remote is installed, you can just store the launcher and everything should just work fine. That's how you prefer it. You don't have to use it. And I'm sure there are like so much different methods on how to bypass, but what I'm trying is to provide the easy and shortcut way, because like you have to take more time just to unlock the other ways that like so much time demanding. So this one is the easy way, the easiest way you can get. So far so good, unless if you're using the computer, which is also the hard way. Okay, so once that is done, you need to access the settings. Okay, not these settings though, it's just for the application. So you have to go to the settings. This doesn't mean that your device is unlocked, so just to show you guys, this is Android 8.1.0 2018. Then the first thing you have to do is to activate the Google Play services. You need to deactivate some of the features. So the first thing that I have to deactivate here is the Find My Phone. So you have to go to security, then administration. Maybe the devices can be different, but then find Android device manager is off. Once that is off, then you can start deactivating some of the application. That's going to be Google Play services. Then some of the is going to show as Google partner, client partner, or Google Account Manager. It's one of the same thing. So if it doesn't show like Google Partner Services, look for the Google Account Manager. Once that is done, then we can sign in on Google Play Store with that Google Play Services, so it won't pick up our account and other thing. You don't have to worry, just do back. It will always come back to the main screen. So always signing in with a different account. You can sign in with any Gmail account, doesn't matter. Your account, somebody's account, the client account, or anyone's account, as long as it's Gmail account, then that's about it. So once you send in, it won't go anywhere because the Google Play Services and the Account Partner Manager or the Google Account Manager is deactivated. But this just to register the device under our account now. So once this is done, you can just agree and all the things, and yeah, that's about it. All I have to do is just to go back and reactivate the things that were deactivated. So everything that you deactivated, you have to reactivate as well. Thus you go back to settings, security, and applications as well. So settings, the first thing that I have to activate is the Android device manager, just to make sure that everything is normal. Like the device now is registered under new user, so when it's picking up in the system, it'll pick up under the account that I just logged in now. Yeah. Now you have to reactivate the Google Play Services and Google Account Manager, also known as the Google Partner Services. So once that is done, what you have to do is just to restart your device. Okay, so this is done. You just have to restart your device automatically. That's the FRP, also known as the Google lock, is removed. Then you restart setting up your device. That shouldn't take you long. If you have a backup, you can do the copy from backup from another phone. Otherwise, you can just do skip and sign in with your new credentials and everything. So yeah, that's about it. There will be so much agreements with the new operating system and Google agreements and other things. But yeah, that's just one of the procedures when you buy a new phone. So as I'm saying, this is a hisense F27, but you can use any Android phone that is running Android 7.0 to, I'm sure this can also work on Android 9. I'll just try for you guys, and as soon as I get Android 9, I'll post a video as soon as possible. So as you can see, everything is just coming normal. All you have to do is do the agreements and all the things that is required, and that's about it. There's not much that you can do now. I mean, like, your device is free from FRP lock. This is not iCloud. The iCloud is one that goes like so much, but as you can see, your device is unlocked and you're good to go. But you have to remove some of the application now, because there's the remote one and Google Play service, they're like more the same. So you have to remove the remote one, or remove everything, because it was acting like the security application. So that's the application, the most important application that works to bypass the FRP lock, and you can just remove any unnecessary. If you like to keep the launch, if you like how it works, you can keep it, but it's not that important. So yeah, that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, always subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next one. Peace.